In this video, I'm going to show you how to add border to logo in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is click on this create at the top right corner, or you can easily click on any of your recent design. So I'm going to click on create, assuming I want to start from the beginning, and then select any of these projects that I want to create. Let's assume I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to click on YouTube thumbnail. So after clicking on the YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to change the background to, let's assume I want to change it to red or blue. Or you can select either of any color here. So assuming I like this color blue, so I'm going to select my logo, like the logo that I want to add the border. So assuming just click on upload file, then locate the logo that you want to add and then import it. So I'm gonna select this trading view. So I'll click on it. So for you to add the border to this logo, just click on this logo. After I click on it, click on edit at this center, at the top center. After I click on the edit, go to the left hand side and just scroll down a little bit, and then click on shadows. After I click on shadows, click on outline. After I click on outline, then you can easily adjust it to white because the logo is black, but if it is another color, you will easily spot it. So click on this color. After I click on this color, adjust it, as you can see, to white, then leave the intensity as 100. Then you can just adjust the size to the one you like, and yeah, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.